Airports are complex environments where multiple stakeholders with possible conflicts of interest have to share a common platform, the airport, to accommodate air traffic. The greatest challenge of airports is to optimise operational performance of that shared infrastructure whilst maximising individual benefits of each stakeholder as far as possible.
6 minutes over.
The Airport Operating Centre, or APOC, aims to provide a collaborative decision-making environment whilst maximising performance, including during adverse operational conditions such as meteorological events.
This exercise is about prioritization of flights by airspace users in case of an unexpected problem at the arrival airport. In case of, for instance, fog, it reduces the capacity of the arrivals and deteriorates the operations over time. UDPP is triggered, what enables airspace users to reorder their flights in order to minimize the cost of delay. The two simulation rooms figure the APOC on one side and several airspace user flight operations centers on the other side. The exercise will allow exploring the information exchanges potentially needed beyond UDPP in specific operational conditions.
Airlines need flexibility to adapt their operation in case of unexpected reduction of capacity, and they need equity between airlines, preventing negative impacts on the airline's flight when an airline prioritizes its own flight subject to delay. UDPP provides them the possibility to reorder their flights and their own slots, therefore reducing the impact of the delay on their operation and passenger for the whole day.
UDPP has been designed by airlines with EUROCONTROL, and we have demonstrated in César that the concept can work for us and deliver positive outcomes. For example, the business case for the enhanced slot swapping in deployment with the network manager since 2017 showed a very positive outlook in terms of avoided losses and passenger connections.
In this exercise, the link with the network impact is implemented through what if included in UDPP through B2B services. That prevents us to request changes that would be detrimental to the network. This is essential for us, that UDPP is integrated with the network impact.
For airlines, the UDPP concept has been improved since the last exercise. Fleet delay reordering has been simplified and is more intuitive. A new feature allowing us to input our internal margins of maneuver is being introduced. It is UDPP that should find the best reordering of our flight. This aligns with the current dispatcher way of working, and it will be tested in June 2019.
After validating UDPP for the users in César 1, the challenge is now to integrate it with the other ATM processes so that it can be triggered when the airspace users need it. We start with the arrivals, which is the most constrained part of the flight, where most of the delay occur. But of course, the user-driven prioritization process corresponds to a need for flexibility for the airspace users for any type of regulation or constraint, be it on departure, en route or on arrival. It needs to be integrated progressively into all the ATM processes in future network operations to become an integral part of the collaborative decision-making process.